Hello everyone, Meteorologist Mike Mihalik here. Well, the heat is going to stick with us the next couple of days, and it seems like we're kind of in the same pattern here where we're getting, the heat and humidity and then the thunderstorms bubbling up in the afternoon. And today, not much different from the previous day. So let's take a look here at the satellite picture first and notice this big MCS, it's called, going through the Midwest. And you can even see some circulation and rotation on that big complex of thunderstorms. Fortunately, that will be passing to the south and east of the Northeast here. So we don't have to worry about that one, but we do have a couple of thunderstorms that are popping up, especially along the spine of the Appalachians here, and also on the sea breezes in the Delmarva Peninsula. Now, some of these spotty storms might bubble up here across eastern Pennsylvania and into Maryland, but for the most part, we think they'll just kind of drift in and be very spotty in nature this evening. So not too much rain for us out there. Now, for tonight's forecast, well, we do have those thunderstorms out there across the Appalachians, but one thing to note, the temperatures will be rather muggy here and rather warm. 70 to 75 basically for the big cities here, so it's quite a muggy night as I said before. Now, as we head into tomorrow, that's when things get a little bit more interesting. We'll have a front moving in, and up here to the north, conditions will be favorable for some severe weather. Something we're watching very carefully, though, is that this area's severe weather could dip down into New Jersey all the way down to Philadelphia, too. So we're not totally ruling that out for tomorrow, but the largest threat for severe weather will be up to the north. And here is the potential with these thunderstorms tomorrow. Looking at wind gusts of 60 to 65 miles an hour, some large hail and localized flooding will be the threats with those storms. So we'll certainly keep an eye to the sky tomorrow afternoon. Now, heading into tomorrow night, those storms will start shifting towards the eastern seaboard. Still rather humid here with temperatures in the 70s. So going to be a wet night there Wednesday night, but then on Thursday we're going to start drying things out because that front will start sagging down to the south. Now, it may get hung up here down in Maryland and Northern Virginia, so we still have that threat of a few isolated thunderstorms down there. But notice the temperatures starting to drop here up in upstate New York, in the 70s in Buffalo, much less humid too. So that air will start feeling nicer too Thursday afternoon. Now, let's wrap things up here for Trenton and our 5-day outlook here. As we said before, showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday, that's our biggest threat. Thursday, much more isolated as that front sags south. But look at the weekend, guys. 80 degrees for a high and dropping into the low 60s for lows here. Much less humid air, and looks like a wonderful weekend for everybody on the East Coast. So we are WeatherWorks, your weather experts. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll be back on Thursday with another video update and on Friday with a blog update on the weather for the weekend. But in the meantime, visit weatherworksinc.com.